Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by cutting cellular access. Open Settings and tap Cellular, scroll to WhatsApp and turn off its cellular data toggle. Once done, go to General right arrow background app refresh and disable it for WhatsApp so the app won't sync on mobile. This stops messages on 4G/5G while leaving other apps online. Make sure you test by sending a message from another phone. You should see no delivery until you re-enable cellular or connect to Wi-Fi. Now stop WhatsApp over Wi-Fi by blocking the phone at the router. Log into your router's admin page, find the device by MAC or assign a static IP to the iPhone, then create a firewall or parental control rule that blocks TCP/UDP ports or the device entirely. Once applied, the phone stays on Wi-Fi, but WhatsApp traffic is blocked. If your router can't block per app, place the iPhone on a guest network with internet access disabled or restricted to prevent WhatsApp connections. Finish by verifying the block. Send test messages from another phone and confirm no delivery or typing indicators. If WhatsApp still connects, reboot both the router and the iPhone, then retest. Persistent access often comes from cached DHCP leases. Renewing the iPhone's IP or removing its saved Wi-Fi network forces a new lease. As a single troubleshooting tip, if blocking by MAC fails, temporarily reset network settings on the iPhone and reapply the router block. That clears alternate addresses and forces the router to re-identify the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.